Okay, so this is the step 4. Here we are sourcing our GCP MySQL as a data source for our dashboard, where we are just displaying and comparing the NLPs that we have generated for the sentiment analysis using the JCP NLP API and the non-cloud NLP, that is the Hugging Face. So Akshay will be handling the dashboards, for which this is the end part of the architecture where we have displayed over the dashboards part while connecting to the JCP MySQL database. And further, the details will be provided by the Akshay. So over to you, Akshay.
Thank you, Ashish. Hello, everyone. So basically, our database is powered by Google platform, a cloud platform, which is known as GCP, MySQL database. So it is serving as a primary data source for our project dashboard. It includes two critical tables, and you can see over here. The first one is GCP Hospital Sentiment, which houses sentiment data processing through GCP Natural Language Processing (NLP) tools. And another table is non-cloud containing NLP data processing outside the cloud environment itself. So we have established a robust dashboard on the virtual machine, which is running Windows operating system, as you can see over here. Yeah. So basically, this virtual machine is accessed remotely via an external IP address using Remote Desktop Protocol, which is known as RDP. It ensures seamless connectivity for our team. From this setup, we leverage Microsoft Power BI to create dynamic visualization. It enables us to analyze and present the sentimental data effective for actionable insights. So now we will go to the virtual machine itself. So as you can see over here, we have our virtual machine setup, and let's go to the Microsoft Power BI. So we have created this dashboard. Over here, the main thing we have taken the data from two tables. Uh, Yes. Now, basically, now telling you all about the total reviews and everything. So the dashboard displays a total of 144 reviews, where 140 reviews broken down into 49 positive and 78 negative, and a mix of 17 reviews all across. So basically, the sentimental breakdown, it is a pie chart highlighting the sentimental distribution, which shows that 54.17 is negative, 34 is positive, and 11 is a mixed reviews. Next, the hospital and hospital-wise analysis, we have taken five hospitals in consideration in this one. So the bar chart shows the positive, negative, and mixed reviews for five hospitals, with each hospital performance clearly stacked. As you can see, Medipulse Hospital we have done, and two, three more hospitals we have also done over here. So from the drop down, we can select the hospital that we want to focus on. Next, as you can see on the downside, the bottom part, we have used gauge visuals over here. We have used gauge visuals over here. So basically, three gauges at the bottom show the exact count of positive, mixed, and negative reviews, making trends to easily spot. So by this, we can actually see which hospital is will be perfect for any kind of operations or diseases we are going to, and we can see if the negatives are higher than the positives. So it is basically it will be better to avoid that hospital. Instead, we can go to a hospital which has more positive reviews. So this is our dashboard. Thank you so much, and over to Ashish for